Oh, hello. Welcome to my office. Sparky here tells me that before we get started, I need to tell you a little bit about the mouse. Now, even if you're familiar with the mouse from Windows 3.1, there are a few changes in the way it works with Windows 95. Don't be scared. The first change is, in Windows 3.1 and in most programs you may have used, you only used the left mouse button. But in Windows 95, you'll be using the right mouse button. That opens files, lets you view files, and lets you see the properties of files, and I'll explain properties in a couple of minutes. So you'll want to get used to using both buttons. If you've never used a mouse before, there are only a couple things you need to remember. The first is, the mouse only works when it's on the desktop. Sometimes when you're starting to use a mouse, you have a tendency to pick it up and try to move it around in the air. It won't work when it's in the air. It will only work when it's down on the desktop. You can pick it up and move it from one place to the other, but the pointer will only move when it's on the desktop. Now, when I tell you to click the mouse, that means the left button, and that just means pressing and letting go. If I tell you to double click, it means click, click, like that. If I tell you to right click, it means click the right mouse button, and you let it up right away. If I tell you to drag, it means you click on the button, you hold it down, and then you move the mouse. That's what a drag is.